Welcome to Master Your Life. In this series, we're focusing on digital safety and privacy, essential skills for staying protected online. With cyber threats, scams, and privacy breaches becoming more common, it's important to know how to guard your personal information and make smart decisions every time you use the internet. These videos are designed to give you practical tools for everyday online safety so you can feel confident and secure, no matter where you are or what device you're using. Remember, this is general guidance, not a substitute for professional security advice. Now let's take your digital safety to the next level. Today's lesson is all about creating strong passwords and making password management simple. Vital skills for your digital safety. With so many accounts for email, banking, and social media, it's tempting to use easy passwords like password123 or your pet's name. But hackers love these. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long, with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. For example, you could build a password from a favorite quote, song lyric, or even a random phrase that's easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. Like R3ADY4L! Life 2025. This uses letter substitutions and special characters for security. But here's the challenge. You shouldn't use the same password for multiple sites. If one is breached, the rest become vulnerable. Managing dozens of complex passwords can feel impossible unless you use a password manager. Password managers store all your passwords securely. You create one master password, and the tool helps you generate, save, and quickly access unique passwords for each account. It's much safer than writing them on sticky notes or keeping a file on your computer. Some password managers even notify you if a password is weak or if an account might be compromised. Most work across devices, so your login info is available wherever you go. Don't forget about extra security layers. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your most important accounts, like your email and bank. This adds a second step, such as a text code, to stop hackers, even if they guess your password. Let's recap. Create passwords that are long and unique for each account. Use a trusted password manager to handle them all. Turn on two-factor authentication to lock things down even further. Never share passwords by email, text, or with anyone, even if they seem trustworthy. By upgrading your password habits, you protect your identity, your money, and your personal information online. Take action today, update your passwords, install a password manager, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your digital life is secure.